everybody, Max here, welcome back in another video. In this video we're gonna be unboxing this package straight from CNFans. For the whole thing I paid roughly $180 and I got it shipped to Poland via the InPost, which is the best line. I only purchase the products with the InPost, it's the best ever line. I always do either InPost or DHL. These two lines are the best. They're fast, reliable, and also cheapest of them all. So yeah, they're amazing. Also on CNFans, all the packages are insured, so if you lose it, you will get the money back, so it's no problem. Yeah, let's see what I have in this haul. So wow guys, here we've got a lot of beautiful stuff to get unboxed. Let's maybe start with this one. So yeah, New Balances, right? We've got the New Balances. This one is the 9060 HCS US 6. Let's see how it all looks like. So yeah, as you can see, we've got the New Balances. This is how they look like. This model is very cheap. It's like $27, and the materials are also very nice. We've got a leather going across the whole shoe with the net and everything. Sole is very flexible and durable as well, so no problems about that as well. And yeah, I love this shoe, so I literally buy every single time them, and they're amazing. So we've got these ones. The other pair looks like this, the exact same one, and there's a consistency in pattern and everything, so it's all looking just as the way it should be looking. As you can see, the box is straight, it doesn't have any marks and damage. It's all looking great for something that has been shipped like 20,000 kilometers. Next up guys, we also have a lot of Christmas stuff. So Christmas is just around the corner, so I decided to get myself some Christmas stuff. And yeah, in here, let's maybe start with this one. We've got a bunch of different products. So yeah, let's start with this one. So what it is I have purchased such a microphone setup from Disney. This is the Disney product. As you can see, it says Disney here. Yeah, let's unbox it. Let's see how it all looks like inside. So yeah, here we've got the microphones. Let's take a look at them. So this is the microphone for the karaoke. This is how it all looks like. We've got this one and we've got the other one as well. One pair of microphones. And here's also the radio. So you're supposed to connect the microphones into this little radio, and then you can sing your music and stuff. It's all looking very cool. You've got your slots for the SD card and the aux port and such things. And yeah, here we also have the charging cable, and that's pretty much it. And here we also have another package. Let's see how it all looks like. So yeah, here we go also with the Merry Christmas mug. Let's take a look at it. This is a Christmas mug. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. It's all made from glass. This is how it presents. You've got some cords in here as well. Here we have the cover for the mug. Looks quite nice. And it all comes with a spoon. So you also have this little cute spoon that you have to put in here. And now you can literally just sip on your hot chocolate or whatever you want to. Alright, and continuing, we also have the Salomons. So yeah, let's take a look at the Salomons. This one is the XT6 model. So I used to purchase a lot of these in the past, and so did I this time. As you can see, this is how the Salomon looks like. It's all in a white color. You also have this rainbow thing here on the top, so it's all looking quite amazing. Instead of regular laces, you've got such a thing to regulate the tightness of the shoes, so it's all looking nice. This one is made in Vietnam, at least it says so. I doubt that is. It's probably still from China. But yeah, this one is the size 26.5, and yeah, it all is true a size. It's true size, so if you want to purchase this shoe, just select your size and it will arrive the way you want it to be. Next up guys, here we also have some interesting shoes. So yeah, in this box we also have the almighty Golden Goose. So yes, I decided to get the Golden Goose as well. I have purchased them in the past, and this time I have purchased them as well. And here in here we've got some certified letter saying that it's certified. We've got such a confirmation of a certified product. The shoes itself, this is how they look like. They come to you in such a box. All looks nice, all looks good. As you can see, this is the right shoe, and this one is looking nice. You've got a leather, you've got every single nice item in here. Everything is looking nice. The quality of the materials is nice, and yeah, this is how the shoe look like. You've got such marks and stuff in here and here. But yeah, it's all looking good. The sole is also looking seamless, no problems whatsoever. Inside of here it says Superstar Golden Goose made in Italy. The left one is looking as great as the right one. Everything looks the same, just the way it should be looking. Yeah, great shoe, to be honest. This one is also a budget version. It's selling for like $40, and as for the $40, yeah, it's pretty much the best Golden Goose you can get. It's really nice, it's really good shoe. I wouldn't complain much about that. This one also comes with the back, so you've got a back as well, all looking nice. Continuing, people, with the haul, here we also have our beautiful Uggs. So yeah, it's winter time, so we've got the Uggs. This one is the size, I believe, yeah, this one is the size US 8. European 39. And what else can I say about the Uggs? These ones are looking nice. You've got a leather, this very smooth looking leather. Inside you've got such a wool, which is very soft in touch, very sturdy and very warm. You've got such a label here inside, and yeah, it shows you all the sizes and stuff. Yeah, this one is looking very good. It's a great shoe. Also comes to you with such a confirmation and letter from the Uggs store. You've got a QR codes on it and everything. And yeah, the right one, oh sorry, the left one. This is the left one. This is how it all looks like. All looks just the way it should be looking. You've got the Ugg one label, and yeah, great shoes. Continuing, guys, with our items, here we have some more of a unique style shoes. Yeah, I have purchased the Common Project. So yeah, I don't know if you've heard about the shoes. These are the Common Project shoes. These ones are made in Italy. I mean, the retail ones are made in Italy. These ones are still from China. But yeah, let's take a look at them. Supposed to be very white and very nice looking shoe. The leather shoes. I wonder how's the quality like. So let's maybe start and take a look at them. Yeah, guys, here we have them. Wow, actually they look fantastic. This is how the leather is looking on them. Yeah, honestly the design of the shoe is nice. I love it. Here we have it with the numbers, so yeah, they do have such a common number on them. And yeah, what else can I say? Like, this is how the insole looks like. It also says made in Italy. These ones are sturdy, these ones are nice, like I'm not seeing any problems with them. There is a consistency in the materials, there are no defects, everything was looking nice. The leather is soft in touch, it's all looking, yeah, just as the white sneakers should look like. I don't know what to say about them. They're amazing, like they're good. And here we have the right one, so this is how the right shoe looks like. It's also looking as well as the left one, and yeah, maybe I can show you how the heel looks like, because in here on the heel you've got a bit different material, like a bit different leather. Yeah, but it's all looking very well. Inside of the box, here we also have this back. So yeah, let's just take a look at the back. This is how the back is looking. So it also says the Common Project, and yeah. In here you also have the shoelaces. So yeah, it also says Common Project on them. And yeah, that's it. Continuing, guys, here we also have the 2 more New Balances. So let's take a look at the New Balances. I'm excited. So in this box here we have the black 9060 New Balances. These ones are probably the size 42 European. Yes, they are 42 European. So yeah, this is how the shoe is looking. As you can see, the same as the first pair that we have unboxed, but this one is in a different color, the black one. You've got this beautiful glossy effect going across the whole logo and on the sides, and here you also have this leather, which is a sort of like a suede leather, sort of like a smooth leather, not the sticky glossy one leather. And yeah, this one is also telling you the size in here on the tongue. It's 42 European. It's got the QR code and it says it's made in Vietnam. So yeah, this one is looking nice. The right shoe is as equal as the left one. As you can see, you've got this New Balance 9060 on the tongue says. Yeah, I don't know what to say about them. They're amazing. For $27, they're amazing. And these ones are the same as the previous ones, but these ones are in a size 43. So I'm not going to show it to you, because yeah, I'm not going to bore you with this one. I also have purchased these AirPods Pro from Jenny for a pretty amazing price, like $50. If you don't know Jenny, they make the real AirPods one-to-one. I'm not going to unbox those, but I can show you the ones that I use. So this is the model that I've been using for over half a year at this point. I've been rocking them every single day. They look amazing, they work great. The sound quality is amazing, the ANC is nice, and they do have the pop-up animation on your iPhone and your Mac, and also any other Apple device. So yes, you get to see this animation, everything works just fine. And yeah, I can highly recommend you guys checking them out. You also get a metal hinge, and also this plastic is a nice quality one. And this on the bottom is the real speaker. So guys, that's it. We came to the end of this video, and here is how our collection is looking at us right now after whole unboxing. Actually, these ones, like these shoes, I can show you. You will see just in a moment when I post another unboxing video with another package. So yeah, you will see it all. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next one. If you also want to buy such cool products for yourself, in the comments and in the description you've got the hundreds of different links in my spreadsheet to these items, and also you also have the links to these exact items segregated, so you will find them all available for purchase. And see you in the next video. Bye.